What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, I'm fucking eating. Fuck. Alright. Fuck. That was an intro. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. The stream. Alright. This is now really quick. Need to get all my. I wrote some music yesterday, which now really quick need to get all that away. That's that tab. That tab, that tab, that tab, da. Close you. And close you. I also don't need you. Great. Switch there. Alright. Right, I also need to fucking Visual Studio there. Good. Just need to get everything in order. Alright. I'm going to put this one up. I reset this fucking page in like forever. Great. Gushy. Alright. So. Alright. We're back at it again. I need to fucking remember everything. Everything is good. I hope so. If it's not, then complain. I guess. Yeah, I also have my system con. Why the fuck do I have that? This thing is. Why the fuck is it down? Get away with you. I don't want to make Danish right now. I don't want to do Danish work right now. I don't want to do my Danish homework yet. I always say to my parents. So yeah, as the title of the stream says, and this music is fucking loud. Holy shit! How much am I turned up on here on Linux? I figured out the problem. Right there. So this one needs to be about there. Great. I can turn you up there. Great. Okay, as I was about to say, as the title says, we're going to be doing some shit with, again, the shell. I have not tested the shell yet. So that's going to be interesting. Among other things, we're going to be working more on the system calls, syscalls, right here. And yes, there was that one dude who complained that the exit wasn't like, what was it? Video production. I also need to download my stream soon. Okay, I've fucked this shit. But not time. Let's see. What did that dude say? It was after I began doing some. Oh shit, every single time I just move forward, I'm like just. What's the next thing? What's the next thing I'm going to be at? Like the roof? It was after I had pulled up the make file. When do I pull up the make file? There. Right there. So that was the get C implementation. No, I should now I'm fucking invested into figuring this out. Um There. That was a dude who meant that the oh fuck. Someone's calling. Who the fuck is calling? It's my mom. Damn, it's my mom. I really quickly need to take this. Give me a moment. And I was muted. Yeah, we need to do something today. That something is making some more system calls. We need to work on the shell. And also generally just fix things. So today I hope that I can get my shell done and working. Hopefully. So yeah. That's the hopes that I have for today. Let's see if it's even doable. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh. Damn, I love soda. I love pop as it's also as some people call it. Definitely. Okay, so we need 2 more buffers. The command buffer is to that's actually to store the command itself. The CMD path is, you guessed it, the path. The way that I'm gonna do it is that I'm gonna have an overall device, such as an ATA drive, as seen here. An ATA drive. This drive is then going to be what's it called? Be the foot of everything. Then you can branch out into partitions, into drive, into folders and whatnot. But at the base of everything, there's a root and a device. So it goes like a slash for root, device, partition, and folders. That's how it works on this OS. And then people can say that I'm stealing from Windows or Linux because they don't do root device partition. Linux does root partition. Windows also does that, kinda. So yeah, root device partition. Remember that, folks. And everything needs to have a buffer. The command buffer will be 64 characters, and the CMD path will be the maximum number of max path size. Now, wasn't there a thing down here? File name max. You have file name max. Maximum number of file name. Maximum length. Maximum length of a file name. Minimum length of okay. But this one is, yeah. Let's then add a definition, and this one needs to be 256. Now I'm going to add a configuration within here that lets me change it. Something like what I have here. in my configuration thing here, actually, should I probably just do it and make it? I'm just going to do it and make. I'm lazy today. The max path size is 256. Will always be 256 for me. Or should I do 105? 12? 512. It is set in stone now. Maximum path size 512. No one can argue with that. Because I'm the fucking dude who has made this fucking OS. Yeah, wait, just I'm going to do 2 up there. Or should I just like get those again? I'll add them again. Fuck it. Now comes the exciting part. I now need to go into here, and then in here set paging -d, and not paging, but this one -d equals to max page size equals to max page, not page size, path size, and the same in here. Actually, that needs to be in the standard IO. But we are using AR. Can I, if I say elf AR dash help, how to find symbols? That question is a no. Alright. What the fuck do we then do? Can't I define symbols here? In the C compiler? C/help / help. Yes, I fucking can. For fuck's sake, Bjorn, I can. I'm using the same thing. That's dumb. Dumb bass. So match max page size. I also really quickly want to go in here. Just add this one. So now this one is just defined at least. To 512. Because I was too lazy. So there. What the? Alright. I'm actually really quickly. That was not the one. I need to make a new one. Slash media MBSE drive Open the mic again. And clear and zoom the fuck in. Make kernel user. God damn, I knew it. But isn't it should be defined? Why aren't you defined? Why am I defining you from LD? Can I also maybe define you from here? Then yes, I can. Expand expression before token. What? Oh, why did I put an equal sign there? And there? Damn. Now it should work. We are building. stdio, that is in the, okay, good. That is in the clib. For example, standard H. We apparently don't have a, yeah, okay, yeah, we don't actually do standard H. We don't get standard H in here. Our standard definitions is actually, sorry for that. INSSDIO, let's see. We are fucking some things up. It's because we need to return the count. Buffer equals results. Very much giving the because we are changing the pointer technically. We are technically changing the pointer here, so then we would be at the end of the pointer when we need to be at the start of the pointer. Very much clear definition. 29. ASM? What the fuck is it talking about? Oh, 4. Yeah, void. Put C. Put C, yeah, that is a void. That's why. ISO 99 required white space after the packer name. No! Wait, and are you using fucking what? That can't be fucking true. I should be using 99. Oh, that's in the command. In the standard lib. That's not there. That's in here. There. Just max. For fuck's sake. Oh. That's why. That's because that we did not have max path size, but now we do. Undeclared. Of course. That's because it needs to be this one. If not defined, define that one as 512 and if if this one is not defined. Address expression for section.entry. I don't even have a dot entry section, do I? I did have a dot entry section. Delete that and we built. Damn, I can feel that this is going to be a short stream. Lately I haven't been fucking sleeping well because I have a fucking driving test tomorrow. So yeah. And I haven't even also taken my fucking ADHD. Maybe that's also a fucking good idea. Oh shit, I can't fucking focus then. Alright. So Gucci. So now we are malloking. Now we're actually getting the memory addresses for them all. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, now we're getting the memory addresses from all. Now I actually just need to do some basic shit. Don't I have stir copy? Oh, that's because I have it in strings. Maybe it's also a good idea to actually do the strings. There. And it will just have to be a slash for now because we don't know any of the fucking things there. Should we also use the buffer? Because in here I have a buffer for commands such as the read file. Was it the read file? Yeah, read file for example, and read generally, because then you can output it using the hex command file just descriptor to a chosen file descriptor using the buffer. Do I want to use the buffer here? Probably yes. But this time it's going to be a variable buffer. Meaning that we are going to be able to shrink it, but it is going to have a maximum size of of 4 kilobytes. That's the max size for now. Some print some that, and now we need to get a printf implementation. Now the way I'm probably going to do this is I already have a printf implementation in here, printf driver right here, and I don't want to like just copy this one over a whole bunch of times. It's the file's big, like big, so I don't want to just like move it around and all that shit and just take it and copy it over. So what we are going to do is, because this is kind of modular actually, this whole thing here, we can literally just take this, remove some of the headers and rework those who don't actually work, and just throw it down into the libs right there. Meaning that both the kernel and the user programs and the bootloader technically can use this, which is just extremely good. Oh fuck. Thank you for the follow. Damn. That was perfect timing for my part. Damn. Thank you for the follow, Pan George. Damn. Damn. All right. Alright. What did just say? Where's the assembly? Oh, don't worry, it is here. Right about here. There is assembly. And everything. And also my whole bootloader. At least one of the stages, at least. The stage here. Yeah, here is also the assembly. So yeah, don't worry. The assembly is here. So there, we don't need to do this. That's a kernel thing. But now comes a good question. Do I need the math in? Yeah, because I don't need this function isn't even being has not even been implemented yet. Why the fuck do I then have it? Oh. There. Yeah, I'm going to move these two down. Here too. I should just, yeah, just I'm going to put them in there. Did these, and also fprintf to, we need the, hey, you need the printf driver. To 4. And all references, okay. Didn't I have printf? Right, yeah, because this, oh no, right, yeah, good morning. Damn. Okay, just I'm going to have a... What the hell can we then do? Just don't have anything. Dance to everything, just don't have it. Okay, so... let me see, so this is not down here. BFS. What the hell am I using the BFS for? Standard out. We just switched that up with a 1. STD out. That's done. Limits as a standard library thing. Debug. We don't even use debug, but okay. Limits was that one. STD.io. Why the heck do I need STD.io? Is that for printf? Oh, it's probably because of C out. And less than out. Let's see, probably. Oh, F put C. That is also a thing. Damn. Okay, so we need to implement that, or do we actually? We need. I think I need some kind of functions. Some functions to do. Because I can't just, or can I actually do that? Because this is a, what kind of a thing is this? Oh, free games. All right. My brain is only working at 5% currently. I can feel that. My brain is only working on 5%. Fuck. Damn. Again, bought this on the start of the week. It's Tuesday. Well, I'm switching out the cap. My normal water. Yeah, I've just like made a hole here. So I don't have to like plug it in and then like screw it on and off all the time. That though also means that I need to remove the cap for every single one. Every single one of these that I need to drink. That I want to drink, so... Aha! The strategies doesn't work on me. The strategies doesn't work on me. Now, why the fuck is that? Oh, they screwed wrong. Oh, no, I screwed fucked up part up. That. I'm gonna just sit down for a minute, I guess. Damn, I'm tired. Should I just call it off early? I'm just gonna call the stream off early. I'm tired. I have a driving test tomorrow. See you all there, I guess. Not there, but yeah. Goodbye, everyone.